Hello students. So today we are going to start learning the subject data mining. Using this video lecture we are going to cover what is the motivation toward the learning the course, what is the course structure and the schedule, outcomes, etc. So let us start with a PPT. First, what is the motivation toward learning the course? So as we are aware of the data, data is very precious. The earlier days, the country having oil used to be rich country, but now or in future, the country having data will be a rich country. Data is the next oil. So it is not difficult to understand that there is always something hidden, some hidden knowledge or information in data, which by seeing the naked eye or just by trying to understand using our intuition very difficult. If you try to get the knowledge manually, it's maybe so time consuming and you may not get the exact information. So we need to apply lots of techniques and algorithm in order to draw the hidden information. You might have studied DBMS subject where you have been using the query language, SQL query. So you may have some doubt or something in mind that what is the difference between query and mining? What do you mean by mining the data? So in query, generally we know what we want and accordingly we fire the query. But in mining, we do not know what kind of knowledge may be hidden in the data. That is why we need to take lots of engineering techniques in order to get it. So data mining is a subset of many different engineering subjects like machine learning, artificial intelligence, pattern recognition, statistics and database system. The potential topics we are going to cover are data pre-processing techniques, classification techniques, clustering analysis, association rule mining, regression analysis and outlier analysis. So one by one these topics we shall discuss ahead. The course structures are as follows. There are total 6 units in the course and there are 3 mid-sem tests as usual we have, and 2 units will be covered corresponding to each mid-sem test, and at least 1 assignment and a quiz corresponding to each unit will be provided. The assessments are as follows. The 10% marks will be toward assignment solving, 30% marks toward mid-sem tests and 60% marks for end semester test. And the schedule is the weekly we shall have 4 classes. One of that will be dedicated for tutorial work like problem solving, discussion, ideation, contest, quizzes, etc. And remaining 3 classes as usual for theory discussion and problem solving. The learning outcomes are as follows. After having this course, the students would be able to understand the basic concepts, application, data pre-processing techniques, and students will be able to apply the various techniques of data mining like classification, association rule, clustering as per the need and suitability. Students would be able to understand how to validate and evaluate the model constructed. And students would be able to use some tools like Weka tool or R language for solving the practical problems. Mainly we shall use 2 books as textbook and reference book. That is, one is Tan and Steinbeck and Kumar, Introduction to Data Mining. and other is Han and Camber book, that is Data Mining Concept and Techniques. Both books are available in library, and we have the PPT presentation for corresponding to these two books. Thank you.